What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and welcome to this update on the Apecoin, or just Ape, whatever you want to call it. That's the ticker. That's the abbreviation. Wanted to do a quick technical overview, but also a fundamental overview of Ape, everything that's what's been going on, obviously in the market, but also for Apecoin itself, the staking of the NFTs on Binance, for example. So that's what we'll go over. Right now you can see that Apecoin is, it's relatively stable over the weekend, but we dropped down quite a lot on Friday. Then we just received some bearish fundamentals about the entire market, about some exchanges and some things that with the audit of that were not 100% great. And it was still, I think, also a fallout of the monetary policy from the US. So that's what's been going on since Friday. We dropped down and now we're recovering a little bit as expected. Most cryptos actually do the same right now. Correlation is almost 1. Except for that, volume is decent. It has dropped down because it's the weekend, but compared to the market cap, it is still decent. And fundamentally for Apecoin, I mean, the fundamentals have increased a little bit more. However, it's there's one thing I thought about. I mean, obviously it became more bullish because of the staking. You could stake the NFT, so you can still, if I type in Binance NFT, will you get there? Yeah, so ape staking, I think this was the new thing, right? So you could actually stake your apes and get some rewards in Apecoin, which is bullish for the entire ecosystem and therefore also for Apecoin. However, those daily rewards is something that was stuck in my head. Like, where are those daily rewards coming from? And I actually couldn't find it out, really. So yeah, let me know. I mean, if those are actually being minted, so if the circulating supply is increasing because of that, it should actually be bearish for Apecoin. But yeah, let me know if you know more about that, because obviously an increasing supply is bad for Apecoin if the demand doesn't increase. Demand increased here, but now in more dire market circumstances, it might not be the same. So altogether, if we take a look at Apecoin specifically at the technicals, what you can clearly see is that there's bearish momentum. Obviously, since Friday, you could already see that the fundamentals were not getting us new highs anymore from 4.5. Broke through this trend line, didn't even react to that. Started from forming some sort of a consolidation up here. Then received the bearish fundamentals. Dropped below our initial support level at 3.5, 3.6. Found support at this minor key level here around, as you can see in the middle of this bigger key area, around 3.2. And that is where we're now. We're finding a break retest off of 3.6, 3.5. And basically what I think is going to happen is that that bearish momentum. I mean, you can see that more and more resistance levels are starting to drop down. So we still have that 382 fib there, which is very strong, actually. I mean, you can see how we reacted to that previously. Then it wasn't a fib yet, but here you can kind of see it. And also took a break retest. So I think we're heading up there. And then at 3.6, I actually do think we'll find resistance and drop down to 3.2. And I even think we'll drop down a little bit lower towards $3. Now, at this point of time, given these specific market circumstances, I don't see $3 breaking as a support. I think we'll be more likely to start some sort of a consolidation on top of that. But it's not impossible to break through it, right? So I'll probably make an update on that. I think initially it will not break, but there is a possibility that with time it will. So this seems to be the most likely scenario. Now there's one last thing to end this video you should know about, and that is that Sunday to Monday, usually what you get is you get pretty big institutional moves. So there's like a 10 to 20% chance that in the upcoming nights, so in the next 24 hours, we will get a big bullish move. There's just a chance if the market makers open like that. So if for some reason we're able to break above 3.6, then we'll probably take a break retest, get up to $4, start dropping down and form a consolidation a little bit higher. That's possible, but it all depends on that big move, which really needs to happen in the next, let's say 16 hours. If that doesn't happen, then this will happen. All right, so just wanted to add that because there's that insecurity always from Sunday to Monday. But for now, that's my take on Apecoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.